Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 science-backed hacks to boost your brain power every morning. You know, the human brain is a fascinating and complex organ, capable of incredible things. But just like any high-performance machine, it needs the right fuel and maintenance to operate at its best. We're not talking about some pseudoscience mumbo-jumbo, people. We're talking about real evidence-based strategies to kickstart your cognitive function and set you up for a day of peak mental performance. So buckle up, get ready to learn, and let's get started. You see, our brains thrive on predictability. When we establish a consistent morning routine, we're essentially pre-programming our brains for success. It's like setting the trajectory for a rocket launch. A well-structured routine reduces decision fatigue, minimizes stress, and allows your brain to allocate its precious resources to more important tasks throughout the day. Think of it this way. Every morning your brain wakes up expecting chaos. But when you stick to a routine, you're essentially saying, "Hey brain, relax, we got this." This allows your prefrontal cortex, the command center of your brain, to focus on higher level thinking and problem solving. So, how do you build an effective morning routine? It's simpler than you think. Start by incorporating small, manageable habits into your morning and gradually build from there. Remember, consistency is key. Let's talk about the elixir of life water. You know, we humans are basically big bags of water walking around, and our brains, they're even more so, about 75% water. So it's no surprise that even a slight dip in hydration can significantly impact cognitive function. Dehydration can lead to brain fog, fatigue, and even headaches. Think of your brain cells like grapes. When they're properly hydrated, they're plump and juicy, firing off signals at lightning speed, but when they're dehydrated, they shrivel up like raisins, slowing down communication and impairing cognitive performance. Not a pretty picture, right? That's why starting your day by rehydrating with a tall glass of water is crucial. It's like giving your brain a refreshing shower, waking up those sleepy brain cells and priming them for a day of mental agility. Chapter 3. Brain Food, Breakfast of Champions. We all know the saying, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Turns out it's not just a catchy slogan, there's real science behind it. After a long night of fasting, your brain needs a fresh supply of nutrients to replenish its energy stores and function optimally. Think of your brain as a high-performance sports car. You wouldn't fuel it with low-grade gasoline, would you? Similarly, fueling your brain with sugary cereals or processed foods is like running it on fumes. Instead, opt for a breakfast that's rich in brain-boosting nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and complex carbohydrates. Think whole grains, fruits, nuts, and eggs. These nutrient powerhouses provide sustained energy release, improve cognitive function, and protect your brain from oxidative stress. Chapter 4. Move your body, sharpen your mind. You might be thinking, wait, what does exercise have to do with my brain? Well, my friends, it turns out that physical activity is not just good for your body, it's like a shot of espresso for your brain. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, delivering a surge of oxygen and nutrients that are essential for optimal cognitive function. It also stimulates the release of endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that boost mood, reduce stress, and enhance focus. And the best part? You don't need to run a marathon to reap the brain-boosting benefits of exercise. Even a short 15 to 20-minute workout in the morning, like a brisk walk, yoga, or bodyweight exercises, can significantly improve your mental clarity and focus throughout the day. Chapter 5. Finding your Zen, mindfulness, and meditation. In today's fast-paced world, our minds are constantly bombarded with information, distractions, and endless to-do lists. It's no wonder that so many of us experience stress, anxiety, and brain fog. That's where mindfulness and meditation come in. Mindfulness is all about being present at the moment, paying attention to our thoughts and feelings without judgment. Meditation, on the other hand, is a practice that helps train our minds to focus and redirect our thoughts. Think of your mind as a turbulent ocean. Mindfulness and meditation are like the practices that calm the waves, bringing a sense of stillness and clarity. By incorporating just 5 to 10 minutes of mindfulness or meditation into your morning routine, you can reduce mental clutter, improve focus, and enhance your emotional well-being. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more science-backed hacks to improve your life. Remember, taking care of your brain is one of the best investments you can make. By incorporating these simple yet powerful habits into your morning routine, you'll be well on your way to unlocking your full cognitive potential. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep those brains firing on all cylinders. See you next time.